Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in UNIHERTZ Tank 3. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts at the start always check your DND mode. So open the top menu, expand the icons, and now check that you have the DND mode deactivated. If you don't see it here, click on the pen icon, and now you can check it in the list below. Make sure that you have this feature turned off, like here. In the next step, let's hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and go to the app info. Let's start from notifications. Pay attention that you have this switcher activated. If not, turn it on. And after that, go to the additional settings. Now be sure that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, open the mobile and Wi-Fi and turn on last feature. If you still don't have your alerts, make the backup of your messages, go to the storage and cache and choose clear storage. Configure it by delete, and now you have to log in again to the WhatsApp and check that you're receiving the notifications. If still not, let's open the settings, go to the system and choose reset options. Tap on the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on the reset network settings and tap on this button again. In the last step, try to upgrade your system, so go to the system update and click on this button. If you have an update, install it and check your WhatsApp again. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.